Welcome to the Smart Monitoring Dashboard. This is your central hub for viewing all your smart monitoring devices. At a glance, you'll be able to see the status of each device, whether it's online or offline, and exactly how much each device is costing you for a selected period. On the home screen, you'll find a quick overview of your current energy spend, along with a comparison to your previous billing period. It's a clear and concise summary to help you stay on top of your usage. The main dashboard provides more in-depth insights. Here you can break down your costs into fixed charges and day-to-day energy usage, giving you a better understanding of where your money is going. You'll also find a heat map showing where you're using the most energy and trend charts that highlight your daily usage patterns. For deeper billing analysis, the billing breakdown feature allows you to see exactly how each cost is calculated, helping you better understand and manage your energy expenses. Want real-time information? The live data lets you see up-to-the-minute readings from the devices for more detailed analysis. Under alerts, you can configure and view billing alerts to notify you if your energy costs go above a certain threshold. Value alerts to trigger when specific parameters like kilowatts or volts exceed a set range. You can also compare usage across different time periods, day by day, week by week, or even month by month. Select the properties you want to track, and if needed, export the data into a table and download it into an Excel file. If you manage multiple locations and devices, you can view them all on a map for easy monitoring. Lastly, you can receive WhatsApp notifications for alerts such as when a device goes offline or when costs exceed your set limits. Thanks for taking the time. Smart monitoring makes it easier to stay on top of your energy use and in control of your costs.